Hey, it's Tom again. And Houston, I got a problem. And a couple of shows ago, I was talking about my reception in my office, which I have a SDR receiver, and I'm using my G5RV antenna, which has been up over 40 years. And this is a picture that was taken about 10 years ago. And you can see some of my antennas. And right here is the G5RV, and one leg slopes down here, and one into my front yard, and one down here. I think it's about 108 feet long total. Now, here's what one of these antennas look like. Mine is similar to this. It's got the two legs here, and then it's got this little guy here that connects this ladder line cable to the two leads. And then that is connected to the other end of that ladder line is connected to this connector right here, which you connect your coax to. Now, so right there, a very thin line right there is the ladder line. Yesterday, I went outside and looked at this setup right here, and guess what? This ladder line is missing. It's probably down on the roof someplace. So apparently, when we had Hurricane Milton, it ripped this off of the little thing right here. Mine's a little different, but it's similar to this. It ripped the ladder line off of this. And unfortunately, now I have no connections to this antenna. So the only thing that I'm getting when I'm using that antenna is the ladder line that and the coax that's laying on the roof. Now, I put this up, like I say, about 40 years ago. And I didn't use a ladder up here at all. I'm tall enough that I was able to take this piece of wood here and attach it to the eave on the second floor. This fell down one year, about 10 years ago, and I no longer could go up there safely. So I had my neighbor go up there, and he replaced this whole piece of wood, and he got it up, and it was working fine. Well, since then, we have both aged, and neither one of us should be going up on that roof anymore. So that antenna is toast. I will not be able to use that antenna anymore. So I'm going to have to find another antenna, maybe another mega loop, and get it up into my office, which is right here. Otherwise, I have to use my radios down in my radio room down here, which is my garage, which was too small to ever be a garage. So that's what the problem is, trying to listen to shortwave up in my office. There's no antenna, basically. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.